Hello everyone! Welcome back to English Listening and Speaking Channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos every day.
Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Daniel, and today we are going to talk about morning activities.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Daniel.
How are you today?
I am very good, thank you. How are you?
I am great. Thank you for asking.
That is nice to hear.
Emma, do you like the morning?
Yes, I do. I like the morning very much.
Why do you like the morning?
The morning is quiet and fresh.
I agree. I like the fresh air.
The weather is nice in the morning.
What time do you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
That is early.
Yes, I like to start my day early.
I wake up at 6:30.
That is a good time too.
Do you use an alarm clock?
Yes, I do.
Does it ring every day?
Yes, it rings every morning.
Sometimes I wake up before my alarm.
Wow, that is good.
What do you do first?
First, I open my eyes and smile.
That is a nice way to start the day.
Thank you.
Do you get out of bed quickly?
Yes, I do not stay in bed for a long time.
I need a few more minutes.
Many people do.
After you get out of bed, what do you do?
I make my bed. Good habit.
Thank you. Then what do you do?
I brush my teeth.
Do you wash your face too?
Yes, I wash my face with cold water.
Does cold water help you wake up?
Yes, it makes me feel fresh.
I like warm water in winter.
That sounds comfortable.
After that, do you take a shower?
Yes, I usually take a quick shower.
How long is your shower?
About 10 minutes.
That is not very long.
No, it is quick.
What do you wear after your shower?
I put on clean clothes.
Do you choose your clothes the night before?
Sometimes I do.
That saves time.
Yes, it does.
Then do you eat breakfast?
Yes, breakfast is very important.
What do you usually eat?
I usually eat eggs and toast.
Do you drink coffee?
Sometimes. I also like tea.
I drink a glass of milk.
Milk is healthy.
Do you eat fruit?
Yes, I like bananas and apples.
Apples are my favorite.
They are sweet and fresh.
Do you cook breakfast?
Yes, when I have time.
What do you cook?
I cook eggs and make toast.
That sounds delicious.
Thank you.
Do you listen to music in the morning?
Yes, soft music helps me feel happy.
I like quiet mornings.
Quiet mornings are relaxing.
After breakfast, what do you do?
I brush my hair.
Then?
I check my bag.
What is in your bag?
My notebook, my water bottle, and my phone.
Do you forget things?
Sometimes I forget my keys.
I forget my wallet sometimes.
That happens to many people.
Then you leave the house?
Yes, I lock the door and leave.
Do you walk or drive?
I usually walk.
Walking is good exercise.
Yes, I enjoy walking.
Let's learn some English together.
Great idea.
The word wake up means to stop sleeping.
Example, I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Another useful phrase is get out of bed.
Example, I get out of bed at 6:10.
We also say brush my teeth.
Example, I brush my teeth every morning.
Take a shower is another common phrase.
Example, I take a shower before breakfast.
Here is a grammar tip.
We use the present simple for daily routines.
For example, I wake up early.
And she eats breakfast every morning.
Notice the word eats.
Yes, with he and she, we often add s to the verb.
For example, he drinks coffee.
And she walks to school.
That is easy to remember.
Yes, practice every day.
What about you, everyone? What time do you wake up every morning?
Please write your answer in the comments. We would love to read your answers.
Let's continue talking about morning activities.
Yes, there is still so much to share.
Emma, do you like to exercise in the morning?
Yes, I do.
What kind of exercise do you do?
I like to walk in the park.
That sounds relaxing.
It is very relaxing.
How long do you walk?
I usually walk for 30 minutes.
Do you walk alone?
Sometimes I do.
Do you walk with friends?
Yes, sometimes my sister joins me.
That is nice.
We enjoy talking while we walk.
What do you talk about?
We talk about our family, work, and plans.
That sounds fun.
Yes, time goes by quickly.
Do you listen to music when you walk?
Sometimes I do.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft and happy music.
I like listening to birds.
I like birds too.
The morning is full of beautiful sounds.
Yes, I hear birds singing every day.
After your walk, what do you do?
I go back home.
Then what?
I drink a glass of water.
Water is very important.
Yes, it helps our body.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Not right away.
Why not?
I like to enjoy a quiet morning first.
I think that is a good idea.
Thank you.
When do you check your messages?
After breakfast.
Do you get many messages?
Not many.
That is nice.
Yes, my morning feels peaceful.
Do you read the news?
Sometimes.
Where do you read it?
On my phone.
I like reading short news stories.
Me too.
Do you make a plan for your day?
Yes, every morning.
What do you write?
I write my tasks.
Can you give an example?
Sure.
That is a good list.
It helps me remember everything.
Do you like making lists?
Yes, very much.
I use a notebook.
I use a notebook too.
What color is your notebook?
It is blue.
Blue is my favorite color.
Mine too?
That is funny.
Yes, it is.
Do you leave home at the same time every day?
Yes, I usually leave at 7:30.
Are you usually on time?
Yes, I am.
That is a good habit.
Thank you.
What do you see on your way?
I see many people.
Who do you see?
Students, workers, and families.
Are they busy?
Yes, everyone is starting the day.
Do you say hello to your neighbors?
Yes, they are very friendly.
That is wonderful.
We smile and say good morning.
A smile can make people happy.
I agree.
Let's learn more English together.
Great.
The word usually means something happens most of the time.
Example, I usually wake up at 6 o'clock.
The word sometimes means not every time.
Example, I sometimes drink coffee.
The word always means every time.
Example, I always brush my teeth.
Now let's look at verbs.
The verb go is a regular daily verb.
We say, I go to work.
We also say, she goes to work.
Notice that go becomes goes with she.
That is another present simple rule.
Now let's learn an irregular verb.
The verb is have.
We say, I have breakfast.
But with he or she, we say she has breakfast.
Have changes to has.
It is different, so we should practice it.
Let's say a few examples.
I have tea every morning.
He has tea every morning.
We have eggs for breakfast.
She has toast for breakfast.
Excellent.
Now let's practice pronunciation.
The word breakfast is often said like breakfast.
Listen carefully.
Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Very good.
Another word is usually.
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 Try saying it slowly first.
Then say it a little faster.
Practice every day.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It helps our channel, and we are happy you are learning English with us.
Let's continue our morning conversation.
Yes, we have more to talk about.
Emma, do you enjoy sunny mornings?
Yes, I do. They make me feel happy.
What do you like to see in the morning?
I like to see the blue sky.
I like to see the sunrise.
The sunrise is beautiful.
Do you open your window in the morning?
Yes, I do.
Why?
I like the fresh air.
Fresh air makes me feel awake.
Me too.
Do you water your plants?
Yes, I water them every morning.
Do you have many plants?
I have 5 small plants.
What is your favorite plant?
I like my little flower.
Flowers are beautiful.
They make my home look nice.
Do you feed any pets?
Yes, I have a small cat.
What is your cat's name?
Her name is Lily.
Does Lily wake up early?
Yes, she wakes me up sometimes.
That is funny.
She wants her breakfast.
Pets can be very smart.
I agree.
After you leave home, how do you feel?
I feel ready for the day.
Oh, that is wonderful.
A good morning helps me have a good day.
I think so too.
Small habits can make a big difference.
That is true.
Every morning is a new beginning.
I like that idea.
It helps me stay positive.
Let's learn some more English.
Yes, let's do it.
The word before tells us something happens first.
Example, I brush my teeth before breakfast.
The word after tells us something happens later.
Example, I go to work after breakfast.
Here is another useful word.
The word is because.
Example, I drink water because I am thirsty.
Example, I wake up early because I have work.
Those are easy sentences.
Yes, beginners can practice them every day.
Now, let's practice asking questions.
Good idea.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
Do you drink coffee?
Yes, I do.
Do you exercise in the morning?
Sometimes I do.
Excellent.
These are useful questions for daily conversation.
Let's make a short morning story.
Great idea.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
I make my bed.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I put on clean clothes.
I eat breakfast.
I drink a glass of water.
I check my bag.
I leave the house.
That is a simple morning routine.
Yes, it is easy to understand.
We hope everyone can practice these sentences.
Say them every morning.
Practice helps you improve.
A little practice every day is very helpful.
What about you, everyone?
What do you do every morning?
Please write your morning routine in the comments.
We enjoy reading your answers.
Thank you for spending time with us today.
We hope this conversation helped you learn English.
Remember to practice speaking every day.
Don't worry about making mistakes.
Every mistake is a chance to learn.
Keep going and believe in yourself.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you, everyone, for listening.
Thank you for learning English with us.
We hope to see you again soon.
Have a wonderful morning and a wonderful day.
Take care, everyone.
Keep practicing your English.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.